Hey friends, today we're going to make a crockpot meal and you won't believe how easy this is. It's only like 5 ingredients, I think. So we're going to start off always by oiling your crockpot. And then we're going to use some turkey meatballs. You can use beef if you would like. I do purchase these at Walmart. I'm not getting paid to say this or promoted by Walmart, but I do like the Great Value brand turkey meatballs. I have the alpha gal syndrome, as a lot of my viewers already know, and I cannot have pork or beef. And typically, I'm only cooking for my husband and he'll take things for lunch the next day. So I'm not going to use this whole bag of meatballs. I only used about 3/4 of the bag. I suggest if you want to use the entire bag, if you have a big family to feed, you might need 2 jars of pasta sauce. And I'm using this pasta sauce. It's 4 cheese sauce, and I purchased this from Aldi's, not getting promoted or paid by Aldi's to say that, but I really like their pasta sauces. They're always so good. And I'm going to pour this whole entire jar into the crock pot. And just because I want to stretch this, I'm going to add a little water in that jar, shake it up, and I'm going to try to get some more of that pasta sauce out of that jar, just like that. Let's add about 3/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle that right on top. You can either use 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, or you can just do like I did and purchase a block of mozzarella cheese. And I just cut it and put it into the crock pot. I was in a hurry this day and just had a lot on my plate, and this just seemed much more simple to me and less dirty dishes. Then once you've got your mozzarella cheese on top of the Parmesan cheese, we are just going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano. Since those meatballs are just frozen and they're already pre-cooked, we're just going to let this cook on low for 2 to 3 hours. And voila, 2 to 3 hours later, this is ready to be served. I should have shown you how cheesy this was. It was so delicious, guys. We served it over pasta, but you could always make mashed potatoes on the side with these meatballs. So if you're looking for a quick, easy, delicious meal to feed your family and you're in a rush, you might give this one a try.